standing at a site of a Trikuta temple today. In our hands we have 4 cards, among which 2 cards are for Temberti and 2 cards are for Trikuta. Start our Nidigonda. Okay. Everyone have a map in your hands. This map is created by my team in 2022. Okay. 2022. We have visited this place which we today see as Nidigonda. Trikutalayam. This is our Trikutalayam Shivalayam in Nidigonda. So here we have something which we have to start understanding when we talk of Kakatiyas is that Kakatiya temples were not created just as temples. Okay, there were some setting to it. There are certain principles to it that were followed. We have to talk about it because the cultural setting involves a cultural landscape surrounding it, amongst which it is not something we have a lake here, we have a gutta here, let's put the temple there. That is something else, but there are certain principles where when a king is ruling a kingdom, he has certain things that he have to follow. He have to make a place of worship for the people. He have to provide a lake for the people where people will have water. So many of the lakes which we see in the region of Telangana are originally some water existed, but there is a bund that is created to it, so that made it man-made lakes. Okay, so extension of the lake happened, bunds were created, anickets were created. Several researchers have studied about the water systems in Kakatiya time period as well. That is very important because this state is prosperous because of a dynasty which really thought ahead and made the water system so strong that it's still somewhere working. Okay, so here we have this thing which we see here in the center. First, where 1 is written, the small brown color in the center of yellow is this temple where we are just now. On the right hand side, if we see this map, this what we have. On our right hand side is the Gutta, and towards our south, as in back of me, there is a huge lake. Okay, so this is what makes the cultural setting of this temple also important because it does follow the Kakatiya principles of Saptasantana in basic form. Okay,
the Gutta
Saptasantana is
this side.
This. Okay. So Saptasantana is basically 7 righteous deeds. Okay, 7 righteous deeds that were supposed to be done by a king or the ruler or the chieftain. So Kakatiyas never called themselves as ruler, they were the chieftains. Okay. So this is our the cultural landscape and a base key map of the temple. Now holding this, we have this photograph. This is basically this right side. We'll go up, you'll understand. Now let's start with anatomy of this temple. So this temple, what we see here was a Trikuta. Trikuta means 3 kuta. Kuta means Garbhagriha. Kuta as in temple. Okay. So Trikuta means 3 Garbhagriha's, 3 antaralas will be there. That was the base module. So left, right, center is the Trikuta, and where you see 1, 2, 3, 4 pillars, that center was the Natya Mandapam. Okay, so the black, the center 4 pillars you see now, between the left, right, center.
Where the mud is slightly going up.
That you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 pillar on the ground, right?
The Ragmandapa.
So there, this black stone which you see in the center, that will go above there. That is the Natya Shila. That is the center stone which will go over there. Okay. So you have center room which you see is Garbhagriha, then you have Antarala, then you have Mandapa, then you have one more Mandapa, and then you have a Ardha Mandapa. That's how this temple was before the disassembly work it started. What we see here is what we call it as disassembly. Okay, so the temple was not in a good condition because of the soil settlement issues, which is a very normal feature in majority of Kakatiya temples. Okay, so because of which the Department of Heritage Telangana, they initiated the process of restoration, but due to lack of funds, they did certain activities of coding, then disassembly, then stacking, then making the foundation.
Okay.
What you see below, the granite thing, it is new.
Yeah.
The lower small stone granite you see now with the black, that is all new. This is the new stone.
What is that? So why this? You said that specifically this issue is seen in Kakatiya temples. Is
Yeah.
it that they don't do a proper soil analysis before building the temple, or?
Some places the foundation was not made that strong. Yes.
Okay.
So the analysis was somewhere weak. But in case of Ramappa, if we see, it is something which makes it important. So the foundation of Ramappa was one of the major factors that got it the UNESCO nomination and the inscription, because that foundation existed for 800 years, 900 years basically. That's how we have. So the grey stone which you see, after disassembly, after coding is basically a technical process where each stone should be labeled and numbered. So in that way, that when these stones will be made back, they will be able to stack it properly.
These are not named.
It will be. वो चला गया है, वो उनके पास record है उसका.
Okay.
So then the foundation was laid again. After laying the foundation, then they started stacking. Okay. What we see here, yeah. So here, this left-right photograph which we see, where we have the gaps, you can see right side. This is where we don't have any walls. What we have here is the lower area is the Upapitha, upper area is the Adhisthana. So now imagine for the ones who have been to any Kakatiya temple, either it's Ramappa or Thousand Pillars or Parasaleshwara or Pillalmari, any site, we understand that how we walk up. You pass one level, you go up level, then you reach the mandapa, then you go inside the Antarala and Garbhola. So can you imagine the height? Right now what you see with high level, when we'll walk across it, you will understand that your head, your shoulder is reaching through the level of Upapitha. So then you imagine the scale, what it would have been and what it is like this. The only good thing about this site is, apart from its beautiful pillars, columns, beams, Nandi. See, we don't see many Nandis with the rider.
Oh yeah.
So here we have the Nandi with the rider. No, I think that was a Gaja or Nandi. We'll see. Gaja means
Nandi.
elephant.
Elephant.
Gaja is elephant. This is one of the very beautiful Nandis which we have here. That's the shivling of one of the temples.
Which one?
Anjani, next to Anjani is the shivling. So like this we have several components that are laid here, so you will be able to see that how each stone is taken from side and then kept like this, and you can understand like how the Jenga will happen in future. So you have a level of already they have done some, they have made the Adhisthana and then they have made the Bhitti above. So we see Bhitti stone is standing. We can understand to some certain extent that how it is going. How the Kakshasana, we can see the Ratna Pushpa is there, then Kakshasana is there. So shall we start like walking around? So here we have a photograph of this part. You can see from above, because when we see from eye level it's different, but when you see from little above you will have better understanding of how one room should be, how another room should be. Then we have two vertical, this is the where we have two photographs. The lower photo is this view what we are seeing right now, and then the above photo is the right angle of this. Now what we talked here about the setting, here, we saw the gutta here, so you can understand now how the gutta is. When we walk towards the right, you can see the gutta in the frame. Then we have here on the back a photograph where two kids are standing. They're my kids. So basically we can see the bhitti intact. you can see Bhitti means wall. You can see the wall intact, that how each stone is standing in this way. So imagine when you walk around that it was like that, it will be like that, it will close like that. Okay. So this is what we have, the existing portion of this temple right now.
This is this.
Yeah.
That no. This one.
This is this left
one,
one.
right?
Yes,
Huh.
yes. This one is the left facade of. This one is the left
This
facade.
is the other side. Huh?
Yeah, right side. This is the other side of this front one.
Oh, okay.
Because right doesn't exist.
ठीक है.